Hi everybody, as you can guess, I'm bringing another video to you. This time it's the VISEART Petite palettes. I wanted to try these out. I've got a couple of the bigger ones. I've not got the Grand Pro or anything, I've just got the matte ones and another one. And I really like the formula on them. And then when I saw these, I was like, these will be perfect for spring, summer. I was just like, why not treat myself? So that's what I did. I got obviously the two. I haven't got the other ones because they never really appealed to me, to be honest. These are definitely more my aesthetics. This one is going a little out of my comfort zone, but this one isn't. You can actually take the eyeshadows out of these and put them in a Z palette if you want to have both together. Which I don't think I will do because they're pretty like this. What they actually say on Beautylish about VISEART: achieve pro level results anywhere with this travel friendly take on VISEART's iconic eyeshadow palettes, featuring the pigment rich formula that has earned a cult following in the beauty industry. This is the one that is the Soleil one. I'll tell you about both of them. They're both going to be the same, except for this is the Soleil one and this one is the APRICOTINE one. So it says, achieve pro level results anywhere with this travel friendly take on VISEART's iconic eyeshadow palettes, featuring the pigment rich formula that has earned a cult following in the beauty industry. The VISEART Petite Pro makes it easy to create full dramatic eye looks with just one palm sized palette. And then it's got why is it special, and it says enjoy the buttery feel and superior blendability of VISEART's signature powder eyeshadow, which features triple milled pigments for intense long lasting colour payoff. The credit card size palette slips easily inside a purse or pocket and comes with a full width mirror for easy touch up. You can apply these wet or dry with your eyeshadow brush or your finger. I am going to show you the tutorial of this one. First, the Soleil one. I'm just gonna do the swatches. So I'm going to go from that way to that way and then the same at the bottom. So there are the swatches. This one is pastel and it's a very light one. Then we've got taffy, watermelon, pasties, bonbon, lavender, marmalade and soleil. This palette. Now going to the look that I did. I'm starting off with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance just to prime my eyelids. So going in with the first shade. So I'm just going to go in all over my lid with this colour so I can blend, because it's a nice tone for my skin. Then I think I'm going to take the yellow colour and put that sort of in my crease and above and below. It's taken a lot to get the colour that I require. And I think I'm going to take this. So I'm going to take this shadow here, put it on the outer part of my eye. And although this is a shimmer shadow, slightly shimmer should I say, it's not, it's still working. imagine it. Actually, I'm going to pack it all over my lid. And this is dry, guys. So as you can see, I've just lied down that colour, and then I'm then going to take this colour here. This like looks, it's red in the pan, and I'm going to put that on my outer part of my eye. And again, this is dry. I'm just using it dry. So these two colours are very similar, even though they look extremely different in the pan. They, on the eyes, they're coming off extremely similar. So going back in with that yellow just to blend out these edges a little bit. Like a packing brush, and use the first colour and try and pack it to intensify it if I can. No, let's see if wetting it will do it. So wetting it as slightly, but not wonderfully, if you get what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to flip the brush over and go back in with that red and see if I can make this slightly darker, so that they're not quite the same colour. I'm going to put this gold here, this one just here, this little one. I'm going to put that in the corner. And then with this one, I'm just going to take the first shade that I went in with and put it underneath my lash line. And going in with the dark one on the outer part of my eye. I'm just going to put on my mascara and lipstick, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the finished look. So for me, for this palette, they blend beautifully. They really do. They blend superbly. For me, this will be an addition, as in I can't foresee myself just grabbing this one palette to do a look. I would need more. I'm not... Shall I stick some on there? I love it, but it's still not a travel palette. If I took this, I'd take like a little neutral palette, and then this would give me all the colour that I needed. They're not both, Mia, they're not both needed. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this palette. So this is the palette, and I'm gonna go from this corner and along and along here. So that's what they'll look like. Meringue, Praline, APRICOTINE, Dulce. I can't even see this colour, this on there. Grenadine, then Bonbon, Miniolate. Sorry if my butchering of them words hurt your feelings, but I couldn't help it. So this is the look that I did with this one. So guys, this is the APRICOTINE palette. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance on my eyes as normal. So I'm taking the first colour in the palette. And to say this colour is going straight onto a primer, it's blending like a dream. I haven't set it. I've just literally gone straight in. I forgot. Then I think I'm going to try this one here. It's slightly darker, and again lower, just lower in my crease, or should I say like in my crease area. Then I'm taking this one on the outer part of my eye. Then taking it underneath as well. And then I'm going to take the darkest brown and put that on the outer edge as well. And underneath. So I'm going to take this gold shade here and just put that on my brow bone. That's pretty. I'm going to go in with this one on my eyelid. And then just going in and just trying to blend it so it's not as harsh. And on the lash line. Then with the same gold that I used at top, I'm going to put it on the inner part of my eye, just here. And then I'm taking this this shimmer. I'm just going to put it here. And then with this end orange, I'm just going to tap some of this on my eye to give it a bit of pop. Do the rest on my face and put the roller Benefit on. I'll come back with my conclusions. I don't know, they just made them so redundant in this palette. Formula, brilliant. Mattes, brilliant. But I just think nice for travelling with. And with this one, this has got redundant colours in as well. These two here, the cream and the peach, they actually blend pretty much together. I put this on my outer part of my eye, which you'll have seen in the tutorial, and then I went in with this deep chocolate. Not the best. And then I was like, I'll pat that as a punch on my lid. That and that are identical, except for one's got a little bit of shimmer in, so which makes them redundant. It's like either have the matte in there or the shimmer. You don't need both. Yes, it's nice, but would I say rush out and buy this one? No, because we've all probably got these now in our collections of similar colours. The only thing that I can honestly say about VISEART is the formula is amazing, and they really are, and that's what you're paying for, is the formula. So my conclusion on this is yes to one, and it's up to you on this one. I'm still happy that I got them. I'm not mad. I don't know why I keep saying that either. I need to change it. So for me, they are worth it, especially if you want to dip your hand into a bit of VISEART. They're definitely worth it. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what I'm going to say. Hit that thumbs up, tap the bell if you're new to this channel, leave a comment below which eyeshadow look you actually liked, preferred, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.